In Singapore, the speed limits for cars depend on the type of roads. The highest speed limit for cars is 90 km per hour. Express this speed in meters per second, centimeters per minute. Highest speed limit for cars is 90 km per hour. We will convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. To convert kilometer into meter, we will multiply 90 by 1000. And 1 hour equals 3600 seconds. To convert hour into second, we will multiply 1 by 3600. Now, 90,000 meters over 3600 seconds. 2 zeros cancel out. 900 over 36. They both are divisible by 9. 9 into 100 equals 900. 9 into 4 equals 36. Now 4 into 1 4, and 4 into 25 equals 100. Our final answer is 25 meters per second. Now, the part 2 is highest speed limit for cars is 90 km per hour. We will convert kilometer per hour into centimeter per minute. 1 kilometer equals 100,000 centimeters. To convert kilometer into centimeter, we will multiply 90 by 100,000. And 1 hour equals 60 minutes. To convert hour into minute, we will multiply 1 by 60. Now, 9 million centimeters over 60 minutes. 1 zero cancels out. 900,000 over 6. 900,000 divided by 6 equals 150,000. Our final answer is 150,000 centimeters per minute.